Hello student. Okay. In previous lecture we saw why software testing is necessary and various definition of software testing. Now we are going to understand what is quality. So the term quality means different things to different people at different times, different places and for different products. So consider example, if you are software developer and you want to purchase a laptop, then you purchase a top end model. So because of, suppose you are developing, you want to develop a Android app. For that we require Android Studio. So for running Android Studio, the 4 GB is minimum configuration. So you select the top end configuration such as i7 processor, 8 to 12 GB RAM, then 1 TB hard disk. And suppose you are normal user, okay, just you want to work clerical work in office, then you don't require such a high end configuration. You can, it is sufficient with the i3 processor, or it is sufficient with the your Pentium processor also, or dual core. So the term quality means different thing to different people. So understand this. So depend on the requirement of customer, so quality may be differ. So what is software quality? A quality software is a reasonable, bug or defect free, delivered on time and within budget, meets the requirement or expectation, and is maintainable. So these are the characteristics of good software. First characteristic, it is a bug फ्री होना चाहिए, देन विद इन बजट होना चाहिए, हाई कॉस्ट नहीं होनी चाहिए, मीट द रिक्वायरमेंट. सो जो भी कस्टमर की रिक्वायरमेंट है वो मीट होनी चाहिए. एंड लास्ट, इट इज़ मेंटेनेबल होना चाहिए. सो वी कैन ऐड एंड रिमूव सम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर. So according to ISO, there is a definition for software quality: the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bears its ability to satisfy stated or implied needs. So this is the according to the ISO definition on quality. Now we can see various definition on quality. So first is customer based definition of quality. So this is the customer based definition. So in simple word we can say fitness for use. Okay, if you are customer, then it must be fitness for the use, so or easy to use for customer side, then it can say the good quality. Then according to the manufacturing based definition, it is a conformance to requirements. Suppose you are manufacturing, we can say 4-wheeler. Okay, so you are manufacturer, then you think according to the requirement. What is requirement? Customer requirement क्या हो सकती है? सपोज यू आर मैन्युफैक्चरर फॉर 4-wheeler. सो क्या क्या फीचर उसमें इंक्लूड होने चाहिए. ओके, सो दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द मैन्युफैक्चरर. ओके, सच एज 4-wheeler फीचर्स, वेरियस फीचर्स, जैसे ऑटो गियर होना चाहिए या मैनुअल गियर होना चाहिए. सो डिपेंड ऑन द conformance to requirement. Then third definition, it is a product based definition of quality. The product must have something that other similar product do not, that adds value. Means suppose you are comparing WhatsApp and Telegram channel. So in Telegram there is a, we can say broadcast channel present, and in WhatsApp there is a limitation. Okay, so in WhatsApp one group contain at most to 56 members. Okay, so there is a limitation, but that limitation is overcome by Telegram. So if you make a channel on Telegram then you can add 1 lakh 10 lakh member at a time. So these are the, we can say, the quality. It is a product based definition of quality. Then value based definition of quality. So in value based, people do not buy products, they buy benefits. Okay, so here people do not buy products, they buy benefits. So using this product, what are the benefits? Okay, so this is another definition of quality. If your product having more number of benefits, then people buy your product. Take an example, mobile phone. So suppose as compared to your Nokia general model and the Android model, so in Nokia model, such as Nokia 1100 old phone, so they are having less features, okay, or less benefit as compared to the Android smartphone. Okay, so people do not buy product, they buy benefits of product. Then next definition, transcendent quality. It is not clear what it is, but it is something good. So again, this is the quality for the कुछ ना कुछ benefit होना चाहिए from the product. So these are the definition of quality. Now next point is core components of quality. So first, quality is based on customer satisfaction. Okay, this is the main component, customer satisfaction by acquiring a product. Suppose a customer is satisfied by purchasing or using the product, then it having the good quality. So this is the first component for quality. Then the organization must define quality parameter. Okay, the organization must define quality parameter before it can achieve. So it is in terms of the manufacturer. Suppose you are manufacturer, so you have to define the quality parameter before it can be achieved. So what are the quality parameter? These are DMMCI. The first parameter is define. So first define your product. Suppose you want to manufacture a 4-wheeler, so define your product. Then measure. Okay, then measure the various features present in your product. Then monitor the product. You have to monitor your product. Next is a control. You have to control, and next is a improve. Okay, so these are the parameter the organization must be defined before the production take place. So define, measure, monitor, control, and improve. So this is a continuous cycle. So in continual improvement cycle, you have to plan what you have to do, then do the thing, then you have to again check whether we achieve or not. If you achieve, then again you have to go for the improvement. Okay, So this is the cycle for improvement. So this diagram shows the cycle of improvement. So first you have to define what is required in the product. So suppose four-wheeler, so what are the requirement you have to define, then measure, you have to perform quantitative measurement on your product, then you have to monitor ability of the product. Okay, so what are the ability of your product? So in four-wheeler case, what are the ability of product? Then next is control to provide desired result. Okay, so जो भी फोर व्हीलर रिलेटेड डिजायर रिजल्ट है वो कंप्लीट होने चाहिए. इट इज़ अ कंट्रोल पार्ट. एंड नेक्स्ट है कंटिन्यूअस और कंटिन्यूअल इम्प्रूवमेंट. सो अगेन यू हैव टू कंटिन्यूअली improve your product.